So if you have a long distance friend and then you want to watch Netflix together with that person, how do you do that? Well, today in this video we will learn just that, on how you can watch Netflix together with a long distance friend. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you have a long distance friend on Netflix and then you want to watch Netflix together with that person, now by default using the Netflix app you can't do it, but there is still a way by simply using an application called Rave. So this Rave application is available on both Android and iPhone, so you can use it on any platform and simply open the Rave app. Now just directly create a Rave account. For a short way you can just directly link with your Google account and so on. So I'll just make sure to skip that process by tapping on continue with Google, and I'll log into my Google account here. Now once I've done this, say that I want to watch Netflix with my particular friend, right? What I have to do from here is just tap on the plus icon from the bottom right, then select Netflix. Now you have to actually log into your Netflix account, so that because you have to use your own account over here, you can't use someone else's account. So once you log into your Netflix account, you would have created a room, and once you have created that room, you can invite your friend and ask them to also download the Rave app so that you both can watch together. Now there are some public shows as well. In the public shows you can see some people are watching this, that. If I select any of these, you'll see what they're watching. It's YouTube or Netflix or whatever else. You'll be able to simply go ahead and then watch together with them if that is what you want to do. But since it is you can also try to add them as a friend by tapping on this friends icon and inviting someone as a friend and creating a room for Netflix. So this way you'll be able to watch Netflix together with a friend. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.